स्टार की खोज 2015।
ओक्साना!
Hi, how are you?
Good evening, good afternoon, where you are.
Alaikum assalam or namaste.
Alaikum salam. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you so much. And a very big salam from Azerbaijan, my capital city, Baku. And I'm so happy that finally I connected with me because I'm really miss those days. And I love you. And I'm really very happy to be a part of your family, big family.
Well, I can speak on behalf of everyone who's watching this. It is so lovely and refreshing to see you smiling, to see some happiness and
Thank
positivity
you.
coming from Azerbaijan.
Thank you so much. मैंने एक क्लास में एक वीडियो बना दिया और हाँ दिग्विजय मेरा दोस्त वो रिकॉर्ड किया और मैं इस क्लास से जो मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया मैं माधुरी दीक्षित को सेंड किया, ठीक है, भेज दिया। हाँ, जब मैंने भेज दिया और 1 महीने होगा मतलब 2, 3, 4 जब मैंने बाकू में वापस आया तब मैं कभी नहीं बोला कि मैं एक कैफे में बैठ रही थी और कॉफी पीती और मुझे मेरा फ्रेंड इंडिया से वो मुझे फोन आया और बोला कि ओक्साना तुम्हें पता है? मैंने बोला कि क्या? वो बोला कि इंडिया टीवी ना चैनल है, इंडिया टीवी या सो ही सेड दैट माधुरी दीक्षित तुम्हारे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। मैंने बोला क्या तुम मजाक में क्या? मैंने बोला कि नहीं है, अल्लाह की कसम ऐसा है। मैंने बोला कि अरे यार मतलब मैं शौक में कैसे कि देखो अभी मैं भेज रही हूँ तुम्हें वीडियो। जब वीडियो मिला तब अल्लाह की कसम मैं इतना आवाज मेरे साथ माय गॉड आई वाज शॉक मतलब कैसे हो सकता? माधुरी दीक्षित, ओक्साना रसूलवा ऐसा अच्छा डांस कर रहे हैं, वो ऐसा है वो। और मेरा जो डांस है ना, जो डांस वो क्लास से वो मैंने रिकॉर्ड किया वो इंडिया टीवी में वो मतलब चलता है वहां पे। मेरे वो कैसे हो सकता? माय गॉड। एंड देन व्हेन मैं वापस इंडिया में आई तब मैं मैम के साथ मिल गए। हाँ।
What a story. Oksana.
You can imagine after 25 years, you can imagine how matlab. So that's why I'm saying everybody who listen us, so please agar maksad you know like propose, just go to them. No need to if you just listen your feel. If you know that you really have some actor's talent, you have some but you have to go for your best. That's it. I know this only thing, and just go. And फर्क नहीं पड़ता है कि तुम मतलब पैसा है तुम्हारे पास और नहीं है। Just know this, if you want पैसा हमेशा होगा and you will do this thing. So just you have to क्या है वो दिल से तुम्हें
दिल से चाहो।
हाँ, दिल से चाहो। That's it. दिल से चाहो, दिल से और दिमाग से। Yeah, that's it.
दिल से और दिमाग से और पूरी तरह कोशिश करते जाओ।
हाँ, पूरे। Yeah, that is one thing if you want. और फर्क it's not about acting. It's about all professions. So, yeah.
It's about life in general, of course.
Of course, yeah.
Now, Oksana, I'm just going to keep you a little while longer. I have a few quick questions for you. So it's a rapid fire thing. So I ask you, and the first thought that comes to your head, जो पहले दिमाग में आया, उससे जवाब करना पड़ेगा।
ठीक है। Crazy, mad मतलब madness ना, ओके ठीक है ओक्साना, लेकिन mad मेरे को कि अरे नहीं यार तुम तो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ ठीक है ओक्से एंड मैथ, लेकिन ओक्से एंड माधुरी
Yes. That's beautiful. That's amazing. Oxymad. Oxymad. Nice. Okay. Next one. What
ठीक
is
है.
the best piece of advice you received?
Best advice received. Best advice. What do you think? My knowledge from Active Prepare.
Okay.
Yes.
Your knowledge from Active Prepare.
Yes. Yes. No.
Nice.
And you know, it's no commercial. I think I thinking through.
Yeah.
It's ऐसा है, because that my knowledge, it's make my career in Azerbaijan, and it's not small thing, it's bigger thing in my life. So that's why I'm saying knowledge from Active Prepare.
That changed your life. And
Yes.
so many others, so many others as well. So the next question is,
Yes.
one thing you absolutely love about yourself.
Love. My acting.
I love how you have so much. It's focused. It is all about acting and
Of
performing.
course, because I love
It
the
is so
profession.
inspiring. Yeah,
I love the
absolutely.
profession. Yes.
Okay, what is your biggest motivation?
My biggest motivation. अभी जो पिछले 2 साल में मेरा बिगेस्ट मोटिवेशन मेरा बेटा ओस्मान. हाँ. लेकिन जो उसके पहले मेरा मोटिवेशन बॉलीवुड सिनेमा. I think, yeah.
Bollywood.
Yeah, watching Bollywood cinema and doing something more. Like going to there. Yeah.
Okay, and my last question for you today, Oksana,
Okay,
is
ठीक है.
if Oksana from 2020 meets Oksana from 2010, so
Okay.
you meet yourself 10 years ago,
Okay.
what would you say?
ओह, इतना छोटी लड़की थी मैं. इतना छोटी लड़की मैं थी. My God. No, it was actually 2010 में इतना छोटी नहीं होती मैं, लेकिन कैसे बोलूं, मतलब ऑफ कोर्स चेंज हुआ. इंसानों तो हमेशा
Change होता रहता है.
चेंज होता है ना. हाँ. लेकिन इतना ज्यादा मिस्टेक नहीं कर रही हूँ जब मैं दैट वक्त में किया. हाँ. अभी थोड़ा टेंशन नहीं है ऐसा. कैसे बोलूं मैं. लाइफ इतना क्या है वो इतना ऐसा नहीं था. ऐसा नहीं है. या अभी नो स्टेबल है.
Amazing.
स्टेबल है.
Stable, हाँ.
हाँ.
Well, Oksana, thank you. It has been
लेकिन
absolutely...
स्टेबल इन लाइफ, इन माय लाइफ में स्टेबल है. नो इन कैरियर तो वो हमेशा ऐसा होता है. हाँ, वो ऐसा होना चाहिए. ऐसा होना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा नहीं होगा तो तुम कभी नहीं क्या वो आने
ग्रो नहीं कर पाए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
But speaking of this, I mean, this is something that for people who are just starting, it's dealing with like a career. ऐसा जाता है तो कभी-कभी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, कभी-कभी बहुत बुरा लगता है.
I watch Indian film because Indian film and Indian language, Hindi, Urdu, like little bit, similar. Yeah, because the matter is Farsi, na? So that's why. So yeah, and actually I just want to say just please मुझे माफ कर दीजिए. मेरा हिंदी may be better than अंग्रेजी, but English is very bad, so that's why I'm so sorry. Yeah. And I'm really थोड़ा सा टेंशन नहीं, लेकिन I'm परेशान.
No, don't worry, Oksana. I mean, I can barely. मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा है कि आपको हिंदी कम आती है कि आपको इंग्लिश कम आता है.
हाँ.
Just don't worry. We're so happy to have this conversation.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
Okay, so that's why and जो हिंदी मूवी देखे हम लोग बड़ी हुए हैं. So that's why अनुपम खेर sir and माधुरी दीक्षित, शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, it's like my बचपन से very big stars है मेरे लिए. So we and I just I told that I was the first of all I just call Kia and just Prepare School of Anupam Kher sir. It's a very big platform for all of people who wants to be actor or actress, you know, because वहाँ पे क्या है? So first of all, it's very it's conversation with people who achieved success in this matter. It's a great and very unforgettable experience. And of course, this acting school, you know, like making you like be different from others, from other actors. Yeah, because for example, उसके बाद जब मैं वापस आए मेरे कंट्री में, एक्चुअली आई वाज सेलिब्रिटी उसके पहले भी है, लेकिन उसके बाद आई गोट माय फर्स्ट रोल, यू नो, एंड अभी जो 4 साल हो गया ना, 4 साल हो गया, और 6 साल हो गया, और 6 साल और 6 साल में 6 नहीं, माय गॉड, इट वाज 2013, you know.
तो
Yeah,
अभी
this, हाँ,
7 years है.
yes, and वो 7 years में actually I got my 10 movies. गौर से देखिए इसे, ये भी किसी का भाई है, किसी का बेटा है, जिगर है, मिस्टर विजय कुमार। आप ही गवाए इस आदमी को फांसी के तख्ते पर चढ़ा सकते हैं। हाँ, बात में बला 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 बला, एंड फाइनल में आपका माँ बीमार है, बहुत बीमार है, और आप इस बेगुनाह की सजा आपके माँ मौत भी कर सकते हैं, you know?
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Oh my God. I don't think that it's different. For me, it's not different. Yeah, it's मेरे लिए इतना मुश्किल नहीं है. Depend on yourself. If you're doing from your heart and if you're doing for all your heart, so I think it's not different, and you can do more things, because and dancing, acting, it's dancing. It's part of acting, and acting or it's a part of dance, you know, so that's why it's like it's not for me it's not different actually. So now I just thinking going you know, Azerbaijan and Azerbaijan, it's Islamic Republic, and like Turkey and Azerbaijan, it's like brothers, you know, and our languages is very similar. So I'm just trying to be a part, maybe Turkish cinema world. So that's it. And inshallah, hoga.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
For sure. But you said, you know, how you it depends on you, and you have also started your own production house over there.
Yes, yes.
Oxymedia. So how
yes.
You are doing so many different things. How do you stay, you know, creatively charged and have energy?
But I have my group now. I have my group, of course, and हम लोग हमेशा डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ये जो कैसा है वो कैसा है, मतलब actually we doing only just movie and series in Azerbaijan only, but कैसे explore करें यार. अभी I will talk on Azerbaijani language or Turkish. Can I do this?
I'll just nod and say yes.
Yes, yeah, because you know too many people just from my country वहाँ पे लिख रहा है. Too many people and my students also.
Yes, I see. Yeah, there are people tuning in from all over. And I'm sorry I can't read this, but if you can read it, if you want to answer any of the questions, please.
I just want to say anything for my people from Azerbaijan and Turkey. So Ayşaklar salamlar, herkes salamlayıram. Mən buradayam, Aksan Rəsulova və hal-hazırda mən bu dəqiqə sizinlə danışıram. Mənim deməli oxuduğum Bollywoodda olan Anupam Kher müəllimim məktəbi. Onunla indi hal-hazırda əlaqəliyik və ingilis dilim çox da yaxşı deyil. Ona görə də üzrü sayın. Bax belə. मेरा मामा हमेशा मुझे actually she really वो एक ही man from my family who believe in my power हमेशा. Yeah, it was my mom and अभी तक वो है. लेकिन हाँ वो मुझे जब first day से वो मुझे बोल के अक्सर तुम जीतेगी, don't worry about it, इंशाल्लाह जीतेगी. मैंने बोला कि ठीक है इंशाल्लाह. जीत गई ना, जीत गए. मतलब it was really amazing experience, amazing, because we can't imagine how, my God, कैसे हो सकता, me कैसे हो सकता, my God. मेरा तो हिंदी मतलब इतना सब कमजोर है, मतलब कैसे हो सकता, लेकिन मैंने जीत गई ना, सकता है.
So what advice would you give to someone else who is starting to deal with this better? What advice would you give?
Actually, people, लड़कियों और मतलब girls and boys who want be actor and going to the class. So I just want to say, guys, no need. Just that 1 महीने 3 महीने 4 महीने, that time when you're studying in actor prepared school, please हर दिन इतना interesting है और इतना special है. Please use every day, learn too much. No need to go and just trying to do, you know, like, because when I was that time and in my school, so too many people just मतलब आए थे और कुछ नहीं किया, मतलब कुछ नहीं किया, मतलब टीचर को नहीं सुना था, मतलब कोशिश नहीं किया, कुछ नहीं था. हाँ, you can imagine I was surprised, कैसे हो सकता, मतलब इतना बड़ा चांस है, इतना बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है और पीपल इतना ट्राई कर रहे हैं आप हमारे लिए ना, तो प्लीज, तो आप तो करना पड़ेगा, कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. मतलब हमारे पास वक्त बहुत कम है और काम बहुत ज्यादा है.
वक्त बहुत कम है, काम बहुत ज्यादा है.
काम बहुत ज्यादा. सो इसलिए जो काम है ना, तो वक्त है ना बहुत कम है, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा,
सिर्फ पकड़ना,
पकड़ना पड़ेगा. हाँ, ऐसा. सो मैंने पकड़ लिया, मुझे ऐसा लगता है.
Of course, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, it has been absolutely wonderful talking to you.
I am so sorry for my Hindi and English. I'm so sorry, but
I have no idea what you're saying. It was honestly, no one will believe that you are not comfortable. You speak better Hindi than a lot of people in India as well. Very, very honestly. And it's very inspiring to see that. It's very, very inspiring. I mean, dreams do come true. Honestly,
yes.
Looking at you, so I definitely feel so. Thank you so much for joining us. It's been absolutely wonderful having you. And I know this is a little early, but Eid Mubarak as well. So
yeah, thank you so much. Eid Mubarak also to you. I'm really happy. Oh my God. And I want to say thank you so much, मेरी तरफ से, to all my teachers. And first of all, Anupam Kher sir. And thank you so much for your opportunity and for your school. And I'm really Hamesha thankful for that. Herman, hi. Paresh sir, hi. Everybody who knows me and who remember me, just मेरी तरफ से hi. And guys, just go for your best. That's it. Do what you feeling and what you wants to do. That's it. But क्या है वो दिमाग से, अच्छी से, साफ से, ऐसा.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, Oksana.
Thank
So
you so
lots of
much.
love from India, and we hope to see you again very, very
Inshallah.
soon.
Inshallah.
Inshallah.
Thank you so
Take care.
much and bye bye. Khuda Hafiz. Allah
Bye
Hafiz.
bye.
Bye
Khuda
bye.
Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, and my friends from Azerbaijan, from Turkey, who have been tuning in. Thank you so much for joining us. Um, as you can see, this is the perfect example of dreams coming true. A girl who's in a completely foreign land coming to learn and study acting at Actor Prepares, and she's you heard about how she said it changed her life and it's given her it's opened up so many more experiences for her in her career. I know that it did the same for me, and I know that it can do the same for you. So now I have to plug the Actor Prepares online course. Because let's face it, look, we're sitting at home. We might as well use this period to grow and be productive. So log on to www.actorprepares.net, take that first step, and change your life for the better. As always, this is your host Advait Kotari. This has been another amazing session of In Conversation with the amazing, inspiring, and ever charming Oksana Rasulova. Take care, ladies and gentlemen. Stay home, stay safe, stay happy, and see us at Actor Prepares. Bye bye.